Hello guys, welcome to BJ's Money Printing Lab. In this video, I want to share with you guys about the trading strategy of Amazon. So this is the Amazon chart, and as you can see, including today, the stock price of Amazon is getting lower and lower, while the RSI level, the lower bottom of the RSI level, is making a higher movement. It's getting higher while the price action is going lower. So we're seeing a clear discrepancy here. If I make a highlight here, the price is getting lower while the RSI level is getting higher and higher. It's a clear discrepancy. And also this kind of movement also happened, and it about 6 months ago. It was May, and the bottom of the price action of Amazon stock was getting lower or making a certain support, while the RSI level, the lower bottom of the RSI level, was getting higher and higher. And look what happened. The price made a huge jump here. Of course, it was a bear market rally here, but bear market rally always exists, and if we can detect those kind of movement, we of course should make use of that movement. And going back to the past again, there was also a nice rebound. This was also a bear market rebound. It was at 2018. So the price action, the bottom, the price was making a lower low, while the bottom of the RSI level was making a high, making a higher movement. And look at what you can see is a nice rebound here. Of course, it was a short-term rebound. So, and one more thing that I want to mention is that the price level, if you can see the price level of Amazon. So deleting the memo, you can see the price of today is the same level when the pandemic crash happened. So it was exactly but this bottom of the Amazon stocks today exactly matches with the bottom of the pandemic crush, the pandemic plunge, which makes Amazon kind of interesting and attractive to invest in this type, in this point of view. So I think it would be safe. I'm not sure whether to use the word safe is right, but I think we have this kind of safety margin, this much safety margin. So the Amazon has dropped about more than 50% from the top, and it has dropped for a consecutive, it's not consecutive, but the Amazon stock dropped more than 1 year. So I think it is a nice time to think about the bear market rally. Of course, it's a difficult time. The bond yield is getting up and up, and I believe tomorrow we have the job claims. What was it? What do we call investing.com? Let me search for a moment. Events. Nope. Economic calendar. US tomorrow. I believe we have one economic event opening up, which is going to be released. Yeah, the initial jobless claim will be released tomorrow, 8:30 at US time. Though, so there's still another risk that if that index opens up, there might be also one of the crash, because if the job market is still strong, there is higher possibility for the Feds to keep the higher rates. So I cannot say that this investment idea is very safe. But what the RSI is telling us is that there is a clear discrepancy, and there is a high possibility of the stock to in short terms to make a nice rebound. So that is the investment idea strategy that I wanted to share with you guys. I personally have invested about 20% of the cash into Amazon just now. So I hope that my strategy works and makes a nice rebound this week. But let's see. So if you want to make a investment like me, then I would recommend that you make a stop loss at, let's say, we need to be precise here. I would like to recommend that you make a stop loss at 81, because the 81 is the exact bottom of the pandemic level. So if the price action goes lower than 81, there's high possibility that another panic sell would occur. So I would like to recommend your stop loss to make at 81, and so the risk level would be like, won't be much. The risk level would be not more than 1 to 2%, right? It won't exceed 1 to 2%. And if luckily we make it right, we can expect about, let's see, it's just a rough guess, guys. It's not an exact guess, but let's say it makes a nice rebound by this resistance level, then we can roughly get about 7% upside. So it's a upside is 7%, and the downside risk is minus 2%. Even you can make it less than 1%. So I think it's a bet. It's a reasonable bet to invest. So good luck. I hope this video helped you. If you think this video helped you, please click like button and subscribe. It will be a big help for me. Thank you for listening. Wish the best luck on your investment. Thank you very much.